Alright. Okay. Like it's a serious question.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit up, be eye to eye with you, like it's rude. I'm gonna sit up. I like this. This has to be done. Okay. I got my first OBGYN appointment today, right? Nervous about it. What was your first OBGYN appointment like?
Mine?
Yeah.
I never had one.
You never had one?
OBGYN? No.
For real?
That's only for ladies.
Okay, but you kissed someone before. And with girls, that means you have a baby.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm worried there's going to be a baby in my belly because I kissed someone.
Uh-huh. Well, if you just kiss somebody, you won't have.
And she, well, I've heard babies out
But if you just kiss somebody, that's just a kiss.
And so you're like a man and you've never had one and you're,
My wife has never had a baby.
no, I'm saying, you've never had to go to the OBGYN.
No. Men don't go to OBGYN.
What do you go to?
I go to just a regular doctor, and a urologist.
So I won't have a baby from kissing.
Not just from kissing.
Okay.